This 2026 Jayco North Point 387 FBTS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Benson, North Carolina, 27504 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV South Raleigh. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco is 43 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, slide-out, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, front bath, kitchen island, outdoor kitchen, rear living area. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.